In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently update records in bulk within Hubspot. Whether you're managing contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, being able to update multiple records at once can save you a significant amount of time and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Hubspot account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the area most relevant to you. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Selecting the right object from the navigation menu is crucial since that's where you'll be performing your bulk updates. When you're in the correct section, you'll see an index page displaying a list of records associated with that object. To start the process of updating these records, look for the checkboxes on the left side of each record. These are your tools for selecting multiple entries at once. Carefully go through the list and select all of the records you wish to update. It's a great idea to double check your selections to ensure you don't miss anything important or accidentally include the wrong records. With the records selected, turn your attention to the top of the list. Here, you'll find several options to modify the records. Look for the Edit button. Clicking on Edit will allow you to make changes to the properties of the selected records in bulk. Now, a panel will appear, offering you various property options to update. These properties could be anything from status updates to contact information, depending on your needs and permissions. Review the list and choose the specific property you wish to modify. After selecting the property, you'll need to enter the new value you'd like to apply to these records. For instance, if you're updating a status, type in the new status that reflects the current state of multiple records. Precision is key here. Make sure the new value accurately represents the information you're trying to convey. Before applying these updates, take a moment to review all the changes you've set up. This is your chance to ensure everything is accurate and that no errors have been made. Once you're confident about the changes, apply the updates in bulk. Simply confirm the update to proceed. Finally, allow a brief moment for HubSpot to process these changes. Depending on the number of records you're updating, this could take a bit of time. It's a good idea to refresh the page once processing is complete to verify that all updates have been successfully implemented. There you have it, a streamlined, efficient method for updating your records in HubSpot. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.